Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make blooming tea. First, select a clear glass vessel like a teapot or large mug, essential for enjoying the visual spectacle. Next, pick a premium blooming tea ball, crafted from dried tea leaves and edible flowers, designed to unfurl beautifully. Finally, prepare your water. It should be fresh, filtered, and heated to about 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, for the best infusion. Now, carefully place one blooming tea ball into the bottom of your clear glass teapot or mug. Next, slowly and steadily pour the heated water directly over the tea ball. Make sure the water fully submerges the tea ball, allowing it ample space to expand. As the hot water surrounds it, you'll begin to see the magic happen as the tea leaves and flowers slowly unfurl, revealing their intricate design and releasing a delightful aroma. Let your blooming tea steep for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the tea leaves to fully unfurl and the flavors to properly infuse. You'll know it's ready when the beautiful flower has completely opened and settled at the bottom of your vessel. Once fully bloomed, you can carefully pour the tea into cups. Take a moment to appreciate both the visual artistry and the delicate, nuanced flavors of your freshly brewed blooming tea. A wonderful benefit of blooming tea is its re-steepability. Most blooming tea balls can be re-steeped 2 or even 3 times, offering multiple servings from a single bloom. For subsequent infusions, consider using water that is slightly hotter than your initial brew to help extract more flavor. To maintain freshness, store any unused blooming tea balls in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture, ensuring they remain perfect for your next tea moment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.